for you, Robert. He looks like an unassuming man, but this is the man that created the game that brought us all here. Mr. Grebler, come on up. That's right. No points for summing up to the style crew, okay? Mr. Grebler, how'd you get the nickname Mr. Jenga?
From Jenga Center. So anything to do with Jenga, that's all I do.
Give it up for Mr. Jenga. Mr. Jenga, did you know that Jenga was going to be a hit when you discovered it?
Not at the beginning. I saw it in its original plastic box, and it was on a shelf. And it looked really stupid and boring. I didn't want to take it out because then I have to put it back together. So, but once I started playing it with people, seeing the reaction, it was incredible. And everybody wanted to invest and buy, make Jengas and sell Jenga games.
Jenga's for the community, okay? That's what we're getting at here. Jenga's for the community. Why do you love the game of Jenga so much?
I played it so many times, and whenever I play it, I stop breathing. And I jump when it falls. It totally takes over. And I know it's going to fall. And I know it should be boring by now, but it's not.
Jenga is a mind, body, soul connection, yeah? You're really going to get what you pay for over here, all right? And what has made Jenga so popular over the years, in your humble opinion?
Why is Jenga popular? People like it.
Okay.
It's fun. It captures people. Whenever I play, I'll take it to a bar, I'll start playing it, people kind of look over from this, they kind of glance over. Eventually, as it gets higher and higher, people just join me. All of a sudden playing with all sorts of people. And
And last question. Now listen up. Open these ears, okay? This is from Mr. Jenga himself. What's your best advice for all of our competitors?
Okay. So the thing to do when you're playing, I think, and everybody has an opinion, and the fathers tell the kids, how to play, and it's hysterical watching that. Just focus. Focus on the tower. Don't lose track of which way it's moving, where it's moving. And relax and have fun. Don't drink.
You heard it here first. Relax, focus, and don't drink. Or do.